Okay, welcome to a quick introduction to Amazon Web Services. So this is actually a real voice. I saw there's some tutorials out there from robotic voices, so I thought I'd do something for real and from a human. So the first thing you're going to do is sign into the console, assuming you already have an account created. Go ahead and sign in. And once you've signed in, you can go ahead and create a virtual machine. Now the next thing you got to do is pick the virtual machine you want to run. I could pick any one of these. Just for giggles, I'm going to pick an Ubuntu server. I'm going to go ahead and launch it. So I'm running one of the, I have to download it, create a new key pair. I'll call it AWS demo. Download it. And I'm going to go ahead and launch the instance. Okay, my instance is now launching. I can go ahead and view it. And you see I had one earlier that was terminated. Now I'm launching the new one. And while it's doing that, I can go ahead and have a look at the security groups. So we can do an inbound security group, make sure SSH is on. We're going to go ahead and add another rule for TCP 8081, and I'm going to make it accessible anywhere. Okay, we'll go ahead and do a save on that. We'll go back to the instances and hopefully it's running. It is running. We can go ahead and look. It's actually got a public IP. So now we can go ahead and connect to it. So we can run something like, actually if we right click on here, and you click on connect, you can see that we have to actually type this line. So we can go ahead and do that. But before we do that, we've got to change the permissions on the file. And then the next thing we could do is go ahead and SSH to it. Go ahead and update it. And then once I've updated, I can go ahead and install just about anything. So I'll go ahead and add Node.js. Okay, now that I've installed Node.js, I can go ahead and create a silly little web server. So here's just a quick little web server. And I can go ahead and run it now. Okay, now it's now running. So I can minimize that, close this out, and I can now go to my IP address, this. And there we go. And you can see that I'm connected to my web server on port 8081. And that concludes this little demo. Thanks for watching.